Exercise 10.2, problem number 6. A departmental head has 4 tasks to be performed. The subordinates differ in efficiency and the tasks differ in their intrinsic difficulty. His estimates of the time each man would take to perform each task is given below. So, subordinates and tasks are given. 4 subordinates and 4 tasks. Our claim is, how should the task be allocated to subordinates so as to minimize the total man hours. Our aim is to compute the minimum time taken. So, solution of the problem. First, in the problem, check number of rows which is equal to number of columns. Okay, so this is an assignment problem. So, in the given problem is in the 4 rows and 4 columns. So, this is the balanced assignment problem. So, the given values are 8, 26, 17, 11, 13, 28, 4, 26, 38, 19, 18, 15, 9, 26, 24 and 10. First we have to compute the row deduction. So in the first row 8 is the minimum value. The first row elements are subtracting by 8. The first value is, the first row entries are, first one is subtracting by 8, so 0, 18, 9 and 3. The second row elements 13, 28, 4, 26. So 4 is the minimum value. So all the second row elements are subtracting by 4. The second row elements are 9, 24, 0 and 22. The third row elements 38, 19, 18 and 15. So 15 is a minimum value. So the third row entries are subtracting by 15. So the values are 23, 4, 3, 0. The last row 9, 26, 24, 10. 9 is a minimum value. So the fourth row entries are subtracting by 9. So the values are 0, 17, 15 and 1. So this is the row reduction value. Next we have to compute the column reduction value. So again we have to concentrate the column value. So 0 is the minimum value. So we have to write in the similar manner 0, 9, 23, 0. Again we have to concentrate the second row. 4 is the minimum value. So all the column values are subtracting by 4. So 14, 20, 0 and 13. The third column 0 is a minimum value. So write as well as 0, 9, 0, 3, 15. And the fourth column 0 is a minimum value. So write in the similar manner 3, 22, 0 and 1. So this is the column reduction. So in the problem, first we have to select 0. So we have concentrate each and every row, we have to take only 1 0. So in the first row we have to only 1 0 is there, no problem. So we have to select this 0 first. So first row is only 1 0 is there. So we have to select this 0. Again we have to see the column, and the column and row we have to select only 1 0. So already 1 0 is selected. So this we have cross out this 0. Corresponding column cross out this 0. Again we have to concentrate the second row, only one 0, no problem. So we have to select this row. In this column no 0 elements are there, no problem. Okay, again we have to go to third row, 2 zeros, leave it this row, not to take 2 zeros, leave it. And fourth row is already 0 is covered, so no problem. Again we have to concentrate in the column, again column wise, encircle 0 and cross 0. So these two zeros are covered. So again we have to move to second column. Second column only one 0 is there. So we have to select this 0. The corresponding row, 1 0 is there, we will cross out this 0. So all the zeros are covered. So all the zeros are covered. 3 encircle 0, 2 cross zeros. So we have to draw a minimum number of lines through encircle and cross 0. So we have to cross the line through encircle, cross the zeros. Move the lines through encircle and cross 0. First we have to concentrate only one 0, leave it this row. Second row, one encircle 0, leave it. Third row, one encircle and cross the 0. We have to draw one line. Again move to next row, is cross the 0. So no 0 is there, additional 0 is there. Our aim is only one, we have to draw the line through encircle and cross 0. Only one cross 0, so leave it this row. Again we have to concentrate the column. In the column we have to take only one encircle 0, only one cross 0. These two are uncovered, so we have to cover this encircle as well as the cross 0 in the column is. Again in the next column 0 is already covered, no problem. Again we have to next column. Finally only one 0 is there. Finally only one 0 is. So this can be taken in either row wise or column wise. Strike the lines either row or column. Suppose the only one 0 is left out in the table, we have to cross out the line through row or column. Suppose we have to cross out through row means only one terminal is there. Suppose we have to draw the line through row, only one terminal. But we have to strike out this line. This is also only one terminal. But our aim is we have to assign the more number of terminals. So we have to draw through column wise. Okay. So we have to draw the line through column wise. So this is the terminal. This is the terminal. So this problem can be given in 4 rows and 4 columns, but we have to draw only 3 lines, but 4 rows and 4 columns. So 3 is less than 4. 3 is less than 4 means this problem is not optimal. Go to next step. So in the next step, left out elements are subtracting by minimum. So in the left out elements are 14, 3, 20 and 22, 13 and 1. So in the 6 values, 1 is the minimum value. So all the left out elements are subtracting by 1. In the terminal we have to add 1. That's all. So to fix 0, 14 minus 1, 13. 9 is already covered, so 9. 3 minus 1, 2. Again 9 is already covered, so 9. 20 minus 1, 19. 0 is covered, so 0. 22 minus 1, 21. Third row, this is the terminal. So 2 lines are intersecting means this is the terminal. This is the terminal. So this terminal 23. So in the terminal we have to add 1. So 23 plus 1, 24. 0 is covered, so 0. 3 again another terminal is there, 2 terminals, second terminal. So terminal 3 plus 1, 4. 0. Again 0. 0 is covered, 0. And 13 minus 1, 12. 15 is already covered, so 15. 1 minus 1 is 0. So again we have to draw the minimum number of lines. We'll get the final value. So Again we have to take the 0 selection. Concentrate the first row. Only one 0 is there. We have to cover this 0. We have to cover this 0 in this column, cross out this 0. Second row, again only one 0 is there. So we have to select this 0. No zeros are occur in the column, no problem. Again we have to go to third row. Third row, 2 zeros, left out this row. Not to take this row, third row. Fourth row, 1 0 is already covered. So only 1 0 is there. So we have to select this. Already this 0 is covered. So only 1 0 is exist. So we have to select this 0. Only we have select this 0, the corresponding column, cross out this 0. So already we have crossed out this 0. In this row, only 1 0 is left out. So we have covered this 0. So this is the 0 selection. So again we have to draw the minimum number of lines through end circle and cross the 0. So first we have to only 1 0, leave it this row. Second row only 1 0, leave it this row. Third row end circle and cross the 0. So we have to draw one line. And next row is also one circle, cross 0. So we have to draw this line. Finally, first row is only 1 0, second row is also only 1 0. This can be either taken in row wise or column wise, but column wise, strike out column wise means we have to take the more number of terminals. So we have to draw the line through vertically. Again this line is also taken in vertical, so we have to take the more number of terminals. So how many lines? 1 2 3 4, 4 lines. So 4 equal to 4. So this problem is optimal. So final answer is we have to take the 0 selection in the last table. First we have to select 0. So P. In your problem, go to this problem. The P goes to first 0. So we have to select this 8. Again Q goes to third 0. Q goes to third 0 means 4. R goes to second 0. So R goes to second 0. And S goes to fourth 0. So we select this all the cost values. So in the P goes to first 0 is 8. Q goes to third 0, cost value is 4, and R goes to second 0 is 19, and S goes to fourth 0 is 10. Adding all the values, the final answer is 41. This is the minimum man hour. Hence the problem.